Hello and welcome to worldanglican.com. In this video, I will be showing you how to add an event on worldanglican.com website. It's fairly simple. So the first step is to first of all log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in here. So I don't have to obviously do that again, but obviously once you've got an account with us, to be able to list an event on our website, you've got to have to log into your account. And once you've done that, it brings you straight to your dashboard area. So you want to locate the left hand corner here where all these tabs are. You want to locate the event tab, which is just down the bottom here. For our mobile users, just remember that the display isn't going to be the same as it is on desktop. For the mobile user, you normally find a little icon here with a bit like a human or like an icon on the top hand corner of left hand corner of the page on your mobile web. You want to click on that and you're able to see this particular nav menus here. But on desktop, this is how it appears. Just want to go ahead and click on Event, Add Event. So just make sure that you click, select the Publish, otherwise your event won't be published. Just make sure you select it on Publish. Now you want to type in your event title. On this occasion, instead of just typing it in, I'm just going to go ahead on London Diocese website and copy one of the events that is happening on there and just paste it on here. So, but normally you could type it out, or you could even still copy and paste an event to give your event a wider reach. That way, the thousands and thousands of people that visit our website on a daily basis are able to see your event. And this is completely free of charge, by the way. Now, let's go on ahead on London Diocese website. We want to copy the title. Just paste it here. So the event category, let's have a look. This is like, it seems like this is a bit like a theological course. Let's see whether we find a suitable or relevant category. So on this occasion, we don't have a course on the category, and this is one of the things that we would have to add on the website. But once you found the category that suits your event type, just go ahead and select it. So on this occasion, I'm just going to go ahead and select religion. So this one asks, does this event repeat? I think this is probably just a one-off event, happened on the 9th of November. I'm just going to say no. Start time. If I click on this, let's see, probably I may be able to get more details. Yes, start time is from 9:30 in the morning. So let 9:30 a.m. End time. I don't know whether I've got an end time. So the time that it ends is quite open. So on this occasion, if you haven't got an end time, just leave it. Let's see whether there's an option to leave it blank. Yeah, on our system, you are definitely forced to select an end time for your event. So on this occasion, I'm just going to go ahead and select 5 p.m. Now the date for the event is obviously the 9th. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to select the 10th. Because if I select the 9th, the event would have been passed by the time here. So just go ahead and select that. So the end date, I think is going to be, I'm just going to go ahead and select 10th, meaning it's just an event for one day. But if I wanted to, if you wanted to, whatever the end date for your event, you just go ahead and select it. So just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select the 10th. And there's also like a time for when the event ends. So I'm just going to go ahead and select 9:30 a.m. here as a start date and time. End date and time. Just going to go ahead and select maybe 5 p.m. Cost to attend the event. Let's see whether there is a cost here. Yeah, obviously there is a £100 charge to attend the event. I'm just going to go ahead and type in £100, or just copy and paste the details that is on here, if that will let me, or you can just type it in. So external web link is like normally the link, if you want people to buy a ticket somewhere, you can link this to Eventbrite, you can link into any other event platform, or in most cases you can even link it back to the event mother site. On this occasion, I'm just going to copy the London Diocese website and link it in here. But remember, for our premium users, we also have a service whereby we can process if this event requires attendees to purchase tickets. For our premium users, we have a system whereby we can manage and collect payments on your behalf and process it for those who are attending the event and issue tickets. So, but on this occasion, we're just going to go ahead and just put the web link for this particular event. Now, the next stage is the venue. The venue, so I'm not sure if there is a clear information as to where the venue for these. So obviously there is a link here with more information. So let's see whether we can locate venue for this event. Here we are. That's right. So the location is the head office here, where this is happening. So you want to go ahead and go back to the link and just paste this on the venue. You also have to repeat that here on the Google map. That way it will just pre-select the address for you. So you can also type it in. Just make sure you do it correctly. That way both up and the venue name. Actually, sorry, the venue name is actually quite different. My apologies. So the venue name is would be this Liveability Head Office, and obviously the address would be 6 Mitre Passage, London. Just fill the address in on the address tab on Google tab here, and it automatically selects all this for you. For the smart tag, we all know what smart tag is, or some don't know, but I'm happy to explain that. So smart tag is, you want to add tags that will help Google and other search engines to be able to link to this very event. That way, people who are looking for events, similar event like this online, are able to find this event. And also the smart tags helps to group this event with similar events on our website. So on this occasion, I will just go ahead and copy some keywords from the event itself, the description. That's the first, but remember always to use a comma after each keyword. Can just say, type in theological training. On the last keyword, you don't want to add a comma, just leave that without a comma. So this is typically how a smart tags, what it looks like. Or you can also add, it don't have to be 2 or 3 words altogether. It can also be a particular just one word or phrase. For instance, I could say London. just for the sake of this tutorial. That's it. Now you want to go ahead and then type in the description of the actual event. I want to go back to London Diocese. Yeah, just copy the same description here. Let's go back to the event page. And I think it's best to change the link here to point straight to where visitors can go and purchase tickets for this particular event. It's good. The one thing that I have missed that we haven't covered is to upload a suitable photograph for this event. And here I'm going to go ahead and just for the sake of this tutorial and copy the image on the London Diocese website and use that. So that's looking good. So once you fill everything in, just go ahead and click Save Changes. That's all done for you. It just says event saved. Now, if you want to view the preview of this event, just go ahead and click Preview. That's great. So that's how the event will look on our website here, which is great. It's looking really lovely. It's perfect. And also, this event can also be found on our homepage. So if you can see, it tells you here who has posted this event and in what category the event is being displayed. So visitors can actually go around and print or even click it as a favorite. And this is the link that you've pasted. If you click on the more details, like I will do now, it takes you straight to the website where they can purchase their ticket if they wish. I'll also show you, people can also make comments or write a review in regards to the event itself. On our homepage as well, you'll notice that the event will now be displaying on our homepage. On the event category, where are we? Where is it? Yeah. So here, if we click View All, that's the event here being displayed for us, which is amazing. So that's the event right here for us. Thank you very much for watching, and this is how you add an event on worldanglican.com. Thank you.